birthday boy. I'm the birthday boy. Sweetheart.
This is the birthday boy. Birthday boy. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm prepping for my son's birthday. So I just got back from the market. These are all the stuff I bought in the market. This is gizzard. This is my cow food. This is for pepper soup. For pepper soup as well. This is liver. This is chicken. Chicken. So I bought a whole lot of things in the market today. They're still on the floor. Look at the whole lot of things I bought in the market. So I bought Nigerian malt. I bought Guinness. I bought water. I bought my this thing for small chops. So a whole lot of things is here. So this is time for me to season the chicken. This is a day before the birthday, so I had to marinate the chicken and leave the chicken so that I can use the chicken to cook very early in the morning. You know, if you want your chicken to be very tasty, you need to marinate it before you cook. So I'm adding all the seasoning I need in making this food, but I'm not going to go into details what I put in my chicken. So but I've made a video from scratch on how I season my stock, or maybe I'm going to repost the video again so that you people can watch. So this thing I'm putting right now is my blended seasoning. I've already made a video on how what I put in the seasoning before blending. So after the whole putting up the seasoning in the chicken, I had to give that a good stir and make sure that everything covered the chicken, and before I set aside so that everyone can go to bed and wait for in the morning for us to start cooking. So everything is mixed now properly. So this is the time for me to take it aside for tomorrow to come. So if you wonder who just passed me, is my sister. She came to help me. She came to give me a hand because I invited a whole lot of people, and this is big birthday for my son. I didn't celebrate his 1 year birthday, so but now I decided to celebrate his 2 years birthday. So I bought Nigerian malt. I bought quite a lot of things. I bought water, I bought Guinness, a whole lot of things that I bought. So I'm trying to pack them and put them in a safe place to give space so that people can pass, and also arrange some of the things I know that I want, or some of the things I know that I'll be making use of very early in the morning when I wake up. So thank God to my neighbor. My neighbor was really helpful. She brought so many things for me from the market. She really helped me a lot, and she brought so many things for me. So guys, please subscribe to my channel.
I finished marinating the chicken, so now we are going upstairs to sleep. Tomorrow morning, excuse me, we continue from where we stopped. So kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. So I'm prepping.
So now I'm setting all this aside to make sure that I put everything in a safe place, and also to give space so that in the morning I will not be running up and down. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I think this is about 2 o'clock in the night. I was still awake, trying to prep everything before we sleep for some time and wake up. It's not easy, but we had to do it. So I got this for my son. He loved this. I got it for him, so I need to put in the fridge for him.
Birthday boy! I'm not the birthday boy, I'm the birthday boy, sweetheart.
So if you're wondering what I'm doing in this video, I'm prepping for my son's birthday celebration because my son just turned 2, so I'm celebrating for him, and I got these whole things to cook and call people to come and pray and enjoy with us. All right, so that is what we are doing in this video. So this is like a first batch. Tomorrow morning we're still going to continue to cook the whole jollof rice, fried rice, chicken, everything. Okay, and I'm going to post the video of that soon. I'm going to post the video of that. So this is like a first prepping of, you know, the cooking part of the meal, of everything. Watch out for more video of the birthday celebration. Kindly like this video. Bye.